Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see about the crystals and crystallography and what do you mean by crystal is. So in crystallography world, what do you mean by crystallography, how it works and what it is actually we are going to see. So please see what do you mean by crystal is. See guys, a crystal is a solid whose molecules or atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern. Please see, a crystal means what? A crystal is a solid whose molecules or atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern. If you see this image, you can see this is one 3D image, and you can see this cube has atoms at its each corner and one atom at its center. Okay, and you can see in this image this cube is completely filled with the atoms which are arranged in a repeated and regular pattern. That is nothing but the crystal is. A crystal is a solid whose molecules or atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern. Now usually the fluid is a liquid, but snow is crystals precipitated from air. Please see, sorry, precipitated from air. Usually the fluid is a liquid, but snow is crystals precipitated from air. Crystallization can be by freezing from a simple fluid or from a solution. Sometimes heat and pressure needs to be applied to a substance for crystals to form. Okay, now see, sometimes we need to apply substance to heat and pressure to form, okay, to form a crystal. This is about the crystal. So crystals means nothing but a crystal is a solid whose molecules or atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern. Crystallography. Okay, so crystallography means what? Now see guys, what do you mean by crystallography is? Now crystallography is nothing but crystallography is the experimental science of determining the arrangement of atoms in crystalline solids. See guys, crystallography is the experimental science of determining the arrangement of atoms in crystalline solids. Okay, it is what? It is experimental science of determining the arrangement of atoms in crystalline solid. So how atoms are arranged in a crystal? In first slide we have seen crystal is a solid whose atoms or molecules are arranged in a repeating patterns or regular patterns. So crystallography means what? It is the experimental science by which we can easily determine the arrangement of atoms inside the crystalline solids. Okay, crystallography is used by materials scientists to characterize different materials, the branch of science concerned with the structure and properties of crystals. See guys, crystallography is may be defined as it is the branch of science concerned with the structure and properties of the crystals. So all metals are crystalline in nature. You can see all metals are crystalline in nature. All the metals that we are seeing all possess crystalline in nature. Okay, all possess what? Crystalline in nature. One more definition for crystallography is essential to progress in the applied sciences and technology and developments in all materials areas including metals and alloys, ceramics, glasses and polymers. The branch of science that deals with the geometric forms of crystals, how to describe, classify and measure such forms are the first questions of crystallography. So this is nothing but the crystallography and crystal structure. Thank you.